One sunny morning, the house was peaceful. Jerry was quietly nibbling cheese inside the kitchen, while Tom was sleeping on the sofa. Suddenly, Jerry had an idea. He wanted to bake a tiny cake for himself. But as soon as he turned on the oven, Tom smelled the cheese. He jumped into the kitchen to catch Jerry. Jerry, being clever, threw flour on Tom's face. Tom sneezed so hard that the whole flour bag exploded in the air. Next, Tom slipped on butter, fell into the sink, and accidentally turned on the tap. Water splashed everywhere. Jerry laughed and ran, but while escaping, he dropped eggs and milk on the floor. Tom chased him again, and both slipped together. Crash! By the end, the kitchen looked like a disaster zone. Broken plates, spilled milk, flour clouds, and water all around. Finally, the owner entered the house, saw the mess, and shouted at Tom. Jerry smiled from his little hole, enjoying his cake. Moral: cleverness always wins over strength.